Well, I eventually got Space Raiders to work, and we're going to give it a shot. This is the first game, one of the first games I ever played on the Spectrum. And you got it with the 48K version. But this game is only 16K, so we'll give it a shot. Probably one of the best Space Invaders game on the Spectrum. Right, hope I can find the keys. Right, fire. Fire. What's ZX? Is it ZX? Yes. Ah, we have. Easy Space Invaders. I'll just do a few screens and that should be it. Just to show you what the game was like. And this is the original tape. And can you believe it still works in 2019? Got it in 1983 or 84, can't remember. I'm running this on my Sinclair ZX Spectrum 128 plus 3 disc version. This doesn't work anymore, but the tape still do. This is tape. So, but you know, I can't believe it. Plus 3 still works as well. Absolutely amazing. This drive is patterned, but the tape is still working. This is a classic Space Invaders game. 1982 or 83, I can't remember exactly which year, but you know, you can't really complain with this. Fantastic. You get the second level, I think it's exactly the same. Come on. Ah, yeah, one finishes up. Go on, you gits. Oh, oh god. They're getting low. They're getting low. Oh, oh come on. No. Oh, I can't leave it there. That's it. Bloody in trouble now, these buggers. Yes, this, so this was made by Poseidon, I think they were called. You got like a few tapes with 48K Spectrum. You got this, you got Survival, Mega Chip, Checker Flag, which I will review at some point. That was another decent game for the time, really. I've got Jetpack and Ultimate Games, which I will review as well when I get a chance. It's just getting the time to do it. I've had a few beers and I'm quite enjoying this at the moment. It's peaceful. Kids are in bed. Yes. I'm going to finish these buggers before I die now. Go on, you gits. Come on. Get the bloody one. Oh. Get that bugger at the top. No. Missed them again. Oh, no. Last chance here. You see, I'm not very good. Oh, God, no. Right, that's it. Third time lucky, this is it. We're not going to get it this time. God's sake. As you can see, I'm not very good at these games. Even though it's so easy. God. I see I've also got the plus 3, I've got Commodore 64, I've got a Mega Drive, and I've had a PC for years, loads of games on Steam, and I've also recently purchased a PSP. Don't ask me why, I just thought, I've got some money for my birthday, I want to get something which I've always fancied and I've actually got. Got one reasonably priced for eBay, so I will be reviewing some of that games as well. Ooh, extra life. This is it. I've got them. I've got them. I've got. The green one. Oh no. Ah! Get out. Right, well this is just a little review. This is a classic game. If you get a chance to play this, just go, you can probably get it for dirt cheap now, but it is a classic, a very early classic Space Invaders clone. And it plays great. The invaders don't change. God, 16k. You can't really complain with this for the time. Absolutely amazing, really. And we'll be doing some other games similar to this at some point. As I say, it all depends on time. We'll do this one last screen and that will be it for you. I hope you enjoyed this. If you want to subscribe or give us a thumbs up, I'm quite happy. I've got a few beers, but no, I'm alright. Not very professional, as you can see, but oh god. Everyone has a bit gaming fun now and again on a Saturday night. Oh, come on. I'm gonna get you. I am. Thank you very much. That is it. If you like to subscribe, give us a thumbs up. I'll be very appreciated. Thank you very much. See you later for the next one. Bye bye.